Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to calculate the stopping distances. Here we have a car, which we will be able to move and stop at an emergency, so that you can look at how to calculate the stopping distances. And then, we'll click Stop to watch the car and the background to see what will happen if the driver sees a hazard ahead. Now we will click Clear to reset the screen, and we are going to repeat the procedure to look at the velocity time graph right here. So, how long in total did it take for the car to stop? Yes, 2.5 seconds. There's a horizontal section at the beginning of the graph because the driver took 1 second to react to the emergency before applying the brakes. What formula would you use to calculate how far the car travels in this reaction time? Yes, the formula stating distance equals the speed multiplied by the time. The distance is also called thinking distance. Use this formula to calculate the thinking distance, and copy the table here on a paper and enter the value in the appropriate cell. How long does the car takes to decelerate to a stop? You are right, 1.5 seconds. What formula would you use to calculate how far the car travels in this deceleration time? Yes, the formula stating distance equals initial speed plus final speed divided by 2 multiplied by time, which is distance equals average speed multiplied by time. This distance is also called braking distance. Now use the formula to calculate the braking distance and enter the value in the appropriate cell in the table. How do you calculate the overall stopping distance of the car? Yes, the overall stopping distance is equals to thinking distance plus braking distance. So, calculate the overall stopping distance of the car and enter the value in the appropriate cell. Now let's check the answers. Check your answers to see if you have entered the right values in the correct places in the table.